Hey, tech fans. This is Tech Lead Albert here. Okay, we're going to focus on Windows. All right? Windows operating system. Whether you're on 10 or whether you're on 11, okay? Whether you're on OS client, that's you and me. You have OS server. That's a server system. Okay? Okay. All right? And there's home, and there's pro, and there's enterprise, and a whole bunch of other things. But we're focusing on Windows. Okay? Number one problem, you need to go to hit the flag button or go into your search window, type out cprompt, okay? Run as the administrator, okay? Hit enter. Okay. Then once you get in there, you're going to type out S in Sally, F as in Frank, C as in cat, space. This is backslash, this is forward slash, scan now. S as in Sally, C as in cat, A as in apple, N as in Nancy. N as in Nancy again, O-W-M. O, orange, W, we. So you're going to type scan now. Hit enter. Boom. Let that run. Whatever it tells you. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is you can do two things. Run chkdsk and leave it alone. Or run that command chkdsk space /F. Now that will fix any errors on the drive, the main drive. Okay, if you need it. Once all that is done, you go and type exit. Hit enter. Done. That's not the least of your problem. That's just the operating system and the file system you're taking care of. Okay. Now the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna have to clean the system. Go to Microsoft Store and download PC Manager. Okay. So under PC Manager, I have it already installed. Let's see if I can find it. It might come with the operating systems. I don't know if they're doing it because I had it already. So check your, where would that be? That would be under PC. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. PC under the P. Well, you run PC Manager. Now, it can be automatically start PC Manager when you sign into Windows. Restore default settings for Windows. This includes settings for your taskbar. Restore default settings for Windows. Restore default settings for Windows. This includes settings for your taskbar. No, I don't want that. I'll check that. Okay, let's get. I'm unchecking both of those boxes, because then it's gonna put that widget thing, and I don't want to see that widget thing on the computer. Okay. So it says the last time it checked anything was in February. Okay, so 22% memory usage, 106. Okay, we're gonna hit the boost button. Okay. Now it's gonna boost the system. Performance boosted. Okay, we're gonna run the health check. I was afraid of this. What it wants to do, it wants to auto start Microsoft PC Manager. It wants to reset the taskbar. Recommended system default. That's why I don't want to run it. Protection. I don't want to run it because it wants to reset things. Microsoft is slick on that one. I don't even think I shouldn't even recommend that. Let's see, what is this button again? All right. Okay. The essentials are Windows, uh, PC First Aid. Okay, that's Wise Windows PC First Aid. Okay, it's Wise Care. Wise Care has a program called First Aid. You should have that on your computer. The reason why you should have that on the computer is it will protect you. I can't recommend PC Manager because I see it exploded. So in other words, it's going to be set. So if anything you have set on your taskbar, it's going to reset it and put it to Windows default. So it'll detect that the widget is not there. So and things like that. I don't want no widget on. I don't want to see the weather. Another program is Wise Game Booster. I'm going to run that. And it's going to tell you performance. That's a scale and it tells you there's 5 issues found. Please fix them all. Hit optimize. Oh, okay. It fixed it. Good. 107 was free. That's great. Okay. So we're going to run Wise Care 365. Okay, something's flying around in here. Can't stand. Yeah, don't. Excuse me. We have our electronic high voltage device here to clean. It says Google is running. Close it. Yes. We're running Wise Care 365 7.2.4. Might be a newer version out. I don't know. I'd have to check. But if there is, at the time of making this is the current version I'm running. Okay, scan has been completed. It found errors. So fix it. It's very fast on this Dell with its 8 cores and blah 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 and a lot of RAM. All right. See, if this found the bug, it would be like this. You hear that noise? That's what would happen. That's high voltage. Did you hear it? Okay. That's me. I'm doing that. Well, maybe it catch something. Okay. So you have to buy this. This uses not Type C, one of the mini plug USB to charge. I use my solar generator that I built to charge it. Which I should charge it because I think it might need more charging. Okay, so you're gonna run PC checkup and Wise Care. Okay, you're not gonna have access to PC privacy traces and some things. They'll tell you under the free version. Okay, if you want to pay for it, that's up to you. I can't tell you what to do. It's your money. Okay, it's better to say that way. I've been using it for a long time. I used to help them with this stuff. Wow, it's getting late. Wow, look at the time. Sheesh. Anyway, I would run this. It'll tell you what to do next. You still have it. It could do it automatically if you want to. The only things I protect, I'm running now. I ran the registry cleaner. It didn't really find much because I already run that stuff in DOS. Okay. It said it found 92 files were found. Total 2.6 mil. 6 traces found. Hit clean. I protect the Chrome passwords and stuff like that. Whatever passwords you have to protect them. Otherwise, everything gets wiped. And if you don't know the password, you won't get into your channel. You won't get into nothing. You gotta have your password. But they're gonna, But that's it. Oh, by the way, if you have Chrome and you want to protect yourself, use the highest security, but that's using an AI. So sometimes the AI will say, hey, somebody's been trying to get into your channel, into your account, and you have to go back and say, man, I have to hit that, put my password in again. Yeah, because it's detecting you as not you, but it's really you. It doesn't really know. It can't tell. Remember, everything's a work in progress. So everything's going to be like up for grabs. Okay, I did Advanced Cleaner, it cleaned 87 files. Now system slimming down. Okay, here we go. Windows download install files. Japanese MIME, Korean MIE, traditional Chinese MIE. Those you do not need unless you speaking Japanese, Korean. I know some words in Chinese, and I have to know Japanese, certain words in Japanese, because I do Japanese healing, Reiki, energy healing. I'm gonna get into all of that. So I'm not keeping them because I don't need to use those, those words unless if that's what you need. Okay. So I select Windows downloaded files, Japanese IME, Korean IME, and traditional IME. Okay. You want to slim down. It's gonna create a system restore and restore the system. Hold on. It's hot. I live in a tropical climate, so I have to do with this. Come on, fly into this. I'm not promoting this either. If you want one of these, you got to find out, online. And if you want the same thing I'm using, this is called electric fly solder. It has high voltage. That's what it would sound like if it got something. You can use this on anything that's crawling in your house. That's all I'm saying. You put it down and you turn it on and you press it on it, and well, that's what it's for. Okay. That's a little. It's not commercial, but okay. All right. Okay. It cleaned the files. The system tune-up, which is basically system optimized. It just puts the best settings. Disk defrag, you don't run it because you have SSDs. What's this? My D drive is an HSD. No, my D drive is not an. My D drive is an SSD. What the heck is this talking about? Ooh, we still got that. Okay. Registry defrag. Now I can analyze the registry defrag. The registry defrag, like I said, when you first install Windows, the registry is all nice and packed. But when you set the add, it goes like this, and especially when you delete, it left gaps. And what happens is it has to read over those gaps. It skips, it's like a broken record. So the whole thing of this is you have to defrag the registry. Now here it's telling me optimization rate is 5.1, and instant defrag is recommended. So I have to defrag the registry because it's too big. Because it needs to be defragged. Because I remember I ran those other commands in DOS. Okay. I wanted to go to the startup manager and make sure Windows PC manager is not going to load. Oh boy, hope it's not going to load. But I didn't set it to load, so it shouldn't load. Okay, now we're rebooting the computer. And it's going to restart the computer. You're going to notice a big speed boost when all this is done. So we took care of, check this, we took care of the scan disk, and we took care of all these things, okay? This is the third time making this video, because I have to be careful what I say. I said the wrong thing, it's not good. But like I said, yeah. I want to keep on track too, because we don't want to sway and get you guys confused. Okay. That's the best way to speed up your computer. We'll do another video, how to speed up the Wi-Fi, okay? Because there's new settings and new things today, alright? Good. Hey, if you have any questions on this, feel free to ask, okay? I'm here to help you. And all you need to do is like and subscribe. You're getting free help. Okay? You take care now. We're done.